A light bulb works by using a thin, coiled wire called a filament. When electricity flows to the filament, it heats to an extremely high temperature. The filament is made of very strong metal, called tungsten, which can withstand such high temperatures without melting. Instead, when it gets hot, it glows and gives off light.
What does the bulb do?
If air were to reach the filament, it would burn out.
So the bulb surrounds the filament and keeps the air out.
Right. It also contains gases, often argon and nitrogen, to help the filament burn longer. With use, the filament slowly evaporates and eventually breaks. This is what happens when the light bulb burns out.
If you shake a burnt-out light bulb, you'll be able to hear the broken filament moving around.